Hey there, developers. Tired of dealing with messy Git branches and complex PR workflows? Let me introduce you to Stax, your new favorite tool for Git branch management. Stax simplifies your daily Git workflow and introduces you to the power of PR stacking without the learning curve. Let me show you how it works. Installing Stax is super easy. For installing in Windows using the Chocolatey package, Manger use this command, choco install Stax. To install in Linux or Mac using Homebrew, use this command, brew install Terrorism Zapa Stax. And you're ready to go. After installation, the first thing you want to do is run Stax Doctor. This command will check your environment and help you configure everything correctly. It verifies your Git installation, shows status of GitHub CLI authentication, and ensures you're ready to use all of Stax's features. Let's take a look at your branches with Stax Log. See how beautifully it displays your branch structure? Unlike the standard Git branch command, Stax gives you an elegant, visual representation of your branches and their relationships. This makes it so much easier to understand what's happening in your repository. Now, if we run git branch VV, notice those branches marked as gone? These are local branches that were tracking remote branches that have since been deleted. Normally, cleaning these up would require multiple steps, but with Stax delete gone branches. Done. All those stale branches are automatically removed, keeping your repository clean and tidy. Need to pull the latest changes? Try Stax Pull. This smart command switches to your repository's default branch, pulls the latest changes, and then returns you to your original branch, all in one go. Add the flag, and it will even clean up those gone branches for you at the same time. Working on GitHub, opening PRs becomes a breeze. Stax PR. This command automatically opens your PR page on GitHub. No more copying and pasting URLs. Here's where Stax really shines. When you're ready to commit, Stax commit up. This powerful command creates a new branch, commits your changes, pushes to GitHub, and opens a PR, all in one go. The days of remembering multiple Git commands are over. Need to update your PR after feedback? Simply, Stax amend. This amends your commit and force pushes the changes automatically, updating your PR without any fuss. Dealing with interdependent branches? Stax has you covered. Stax Rebase. This intelligently rebases entire trees of branches, maintaining their relationships. This is where you'll start to experience the power of PR stacking, all handled automatically by Stax. Want to pull specific commits from remote? Stax Get. Stax will pull that specific commit and all its children, ensuring everything stays properly connected. Navigate your branch structure with Stax Move. Move between branches using intuitive directional commands like up, down, top, bottom. Stax transforms Git from a complex tool into an intuitive workflow assistant. It handles the tedious parts of branch management so you can focus on what matters, writing great code. Ready to say goodbye to Git frustrations? Try Stax today and discover a smoother, more efficient development workflow. Remember, Stax isn't just about branch management. It's about making your life as a developer simpler and more productive.